Following the adoption of the Paris Agreement at COP21 in 2015, the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions has become one of the most important issues in the world. In order to achieve a carbon-neutral society, manufacturing companies are required to manage and reduce greenhouse gas emissions throughout the product lifecycle. The amount of greenhouse gas emissions throughout the product lifecycle is called the carbon footprint of product, CFP. CFP is the quantification of greenhouse gas emissions in the processes of the product lifecycle, such as mining of raw materials, manufacturing, transportation, use, and disposal. For products of the basic materials industry, it is common to calculate CFP from cradle to gate. That is, from the mining of raw materials to the shipment of products. By calculating the CFP and analyzing the results, it is possible to identify hotspots that emit a lot of greenhouse gases, allowing you to take actions to reduce emissions from such spots. As discussions have begun on European laws and regulations, accurate calculation of CFP has become more and more important, but special knowledge and know-how are required for actual calculation, which is a challenging issue for many companies. Sumitomo Chemical, to tackle such challenges, has developed a system, CFP-TOMO, that can efficiently calculate the carbon footprint of products. The CFP calculation method complies with general calculation rules, such as ISO 14067. CFP-TOMO has the following features. It is developed with Microsoft Access and Excel, and it is simple and easy to use for anybody. Based on cost accounting information, CFP is calculated from the amount of raw materials and utilities used and the amount of waste discharged for each product. You can calculate carbon footprint of just one product, or you can calculate the carbon footprints of all products in a factory at once. CFP-TOMO can handle complicated CFP calculations unique to chemical plants. Chemical factories often use upstream products as raw materials to manufacture downstream products, but sometimes use downstream products as raw materials for upstream products. Even in such a case, CFP-TOMO can handle the calculation without any problem. In the chemical process, byproducts are often generated, which include products other than main product, waste oil used as fuel, generated steam, unreacted raw materials. We investigated each case carefully and systematized the most rational allocation method. If CFP-TOMO is used by all companies in the entire supply chain, the final CFP will be more accurate. Through this system, Sumitomo Chemical desires to contribute to the widespread use of CFP calculations and the development of low-carbon products, as well as the realization of carbon neutrality. So, we decided to provide this system free of charge. Sumitomo Chemical started in 1913 as a Sumitomo fertilizer factory, with the goal of preventing smoke damage caused by copper smelting. Established with the aim of both overcoming environmental problems and contributing to increased food production, Sumitomo's business spirit, is deeply rooted within our company. This credo states that we must benefit the nation and society at large through our business, not just chase our own interests, and it has been passed down as the Sumitomo Group's DNA for about 400 years. This business spirit is the basis on which we stand to fight against the global warming problems the world is facing today. Through CFP-TOMO, Sumitomo Chemical will aim to realize a carbon-neutral society with everyone together for a brighter tomorrow.